That is swimmer dog right there. Where are you going? You having fun? He don't want to get out. Grandma makes him get out and rest and he gets mad. Oh, he got out. Well, of course they make a liar out of you every time. You got out? What you gonna do now? What are you gonna do now? Do you wanna go swimming again? Are you tired? You look very tired. I think you should rest. You can do it. You did it by yourself 2 times already. Come on. Bring in my foot. You can do it. Come on. Alright, Grandma, help you. Here we go. Whoop. Whee! And he's off. He's a happy little swimmer dog. And he starts sinking and he'll keep right on swimming. Oh, don't scratch me. Whee, he's so cute. All 4 little feet just going. That little ear sticking up. You wanna get out? There's your little bench over there. You get out over here. Good job. Good job. Whoa, that was thunder. Oh dear, you're not going to be happy, but we're going to have to get out. It's thundering. Oh dear.